Welcome to my channel. Nandito kami sa paggawa ng puzzle sa Italy sa Barbie.
Scusa, prete? Vedi? Chiudi che ciatavi. Io me ne sono accorta. Lei, no, non lo so.
She asked me, is
Cioè,
it
io
Greece?
sì.
I said, I guess from the t-shirt.
Vedi dal Filippo, dai una benedizione.
Benedizione.
Bravo.
Grazie. They are so religious, especially in the old town. Yeah, it depends on the different ingredients they put in.
So is it
Like-
dyed then? Is it dyed or is it normal color?
No, it's dyed with natural ingredients
Oh.
like wine or,
Oh.
you know, the root beet
Oh yeah.
and spinach, turmeric, pumpkin.
So for red wine, it's this color.
I
and
guess,
the
yeah.
spinach would be green.
No, this is root beet, and the purple is wine, beetroot, and purple is wine, red wine.
Look at all the huts up there because of that.
I know, isn't it? Goodness.
Shape ng ear.
2 euros.
These are super good because these are crunchy, salted. They go perfectly with prosecco or spritz, and perfect snack for us in Bari. Like this is what we eat for a snack. This one, yeah, they're super good. Loro sono pellegrini.
YouTube.
Abbiamo anche il Abbiamo anche il prete. Sì, io vorrei give a benediction to Nunzia. Ti faccio benedire, amore, ha già benedetto le altre signore.
Aspetta, l'ultimo.
Oh, he needs blessing. He needs blessing. La pelle dopo come si ti fa God bless you, she said. Ciao tesoro, buon
Para sombrero.
Oh, may postcard.
Oh, may grocery.
Nice, Jay. Tuon kolla, tuon tarik. Io che spacco.
Cherries, oh.
Yung pasta nila mura. 1 kilo.
2 pound 50.
5.
Tinanong niyo kung magkano?
500 grams.
5 euro.
500 grams, 2 pounds 50.
Oo.
Mura ba yun?
2 euro 50.
Mahal yata, ano?
Mura, father.
Mura ba yun?
Oo. 500 grams, marami na yun.
Marami ganyan sa tikim mo. Pero siyempre mag-iba yung dito.
Iba yung handmade?
Yes.
May alat.
Okay, so without glasses on. Okay, so now we're gonna go across the most narrow street of the old town. I promise it has an open ending. They call it the Tunnel of Love.
I'm first.
Monica, you first.
What's her name? Maria. Maria, I just met a girl named Maria. West Side Story. The tunnel of love. We have heart-shaped lights. They turn on in the evening, and so teenagers come here to kiss secretly. Super romantic.
Maria Abad.
May altar pa, oh. May altar sa taas, oh. May alay. Tignan mo, Mari, may altar pa, oh.
You to be holy, full of grace.
Yeah, full of grace.
Full of grace.
Gracefully aging.
Ha? Maiksi lang pala. Wala ko tanin. May nag-vandalize na. Maiksi lang.
Malaysia lang pala. Alleyway lang pala siya.
Mario, you've just confirmed.
I'm waiting for the others to say a couple of words.
Okay.
Okay, so in the whole town of Bari, in the entire town, we have 60 churches, but 29 are in the old town. This one is the smallest. It's San Sebastian Church. It's open only in the morning. They don't have celebration every day. It can happen, but it's an open church for praying. There's also a little bell tower on the top. You can have a look inside if you want. It's a tiny, tiny church.
Can I fit in? The tiny
San Sebastian. San Sebastian. Buongiorno. 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 Buongiorno.
Magbibigay ka daw pala ng pera.
50. Ah, will
Plain niya kung magkano.
plain. Will be back. Ay, this is delicious. Oo. Pwede ba bumili? Oo. Pagbalik natin.
O dito tayo babalik dito, muli ka na. Magkano ito? Ito na this one?
You 50. Sama sa ano.
Maluto mo, Mari.
Tomato.
Olive oil.
I will buy just one. Pasta.
Duwi, Kinora.